Let's eat, guys. Good morning. This is my food for today, guys. Ayan, bagong kuha to siya, guys. Ayan, dahil malapit tayo sa dagat, meron tayong crabs, guys. Charan. Charan. Ayan, ito yung na-miss ko, guys, sa province. Ayan, dahil, ayan, nag-vacation yung ating guys, dito sa amin. So, meron tayong sariwang isda. Ayan, guys. Charan! Ayan yung isda natin ngayon, guys. Ayan. Na-miss kong kumain ito, guys. Ayan. Sa province kasi, guys, malapit kami sa dagat. Malapit kami sa dagat, guys. So, na-miss kong kumain ng isda. Fresh isda. So yummy. Alcohol muna tayo, guys. Kasi, sarap kumain ng nakakamay, guys. I really love it. Alcohol tayo. Ayan. Na-miss kong kumain ng crabs, guys. Maliliit pa nga lang to, guys, yung ating crabs. Oh my God. Buhay pa. Buhay pa ito yung ating crabs. So yummy na. I forgot to take a picture. Mag-take a picture muna tayo, guys. I forgot to take a picture. Ayan. So, I will take a picture first. Take a picture first, guys, on my crabs. Ayan. My food for today. Ayong rice. Charan! And this is my, guys, daily routine. Take a picture while, before eating, guys. Ayan. As a content creator, guys, ayan, take a picture bago kumain. So, ayan, let's eat. Ito yung aking na-miss kainin, guys, yung ating crabs. Ayan, na-miss kong kumain ng malalaking crabs, guys. Ayan. Ito, guys, marami to sa province namin, guys, sa Zamboanga. Oh my God. Guys, look, ayan yung kanyang laman, guys, oh. Ang taba niya, guys. Ayan. Kita nyo ba to, guys? Oh my God. So yummy na to, guys. Ayan. Ito na yung kanyang laman. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sarap to siya, guys, pag ginataan. Ginataan siya, guys. Yan, ating crabs. Super yummy. Ito yung na-miss ko, guys. Na-miss ko sa province. Marami to siya sa province namin, guys. Kasi, malapit kami sa dagat. Ayan. Let's eat. Ayan. Kailangan, guys, kailangan matibay ang iyong, nito, ipin. Tibay ang ipin, guys. Same. Ayan, sipsipin. Sarap to siya sipsipin, guys. Yan. Oh my God. Ayan, matigas siya, guys. So, ayan po. Dahan-dahan tayo, guys. Baka mamaya masira yung ipin natin. Ayan, guys. Oh, look. Ayan. Ang taba ng kanyang sa loob, guys. So, yummy. Ang paborito ko nito, guys, ginataan. Sarap to siya ginataan, guys. Lagyan ng gata. Okay. So yummy. Aking food for today. Ano natin, guys. Sarap. Yan, guys. Busog niya ako, guys. Kunting kain lang. Ating isda, tikman din natin. Kakaibang isda to siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nito. What kind of fish of this? Ayan. Diba? I love it. So yummy, guys. So yummy. Mantaan na lagay natin dito. Totoo ang laman. Yan. Yan. So, sold na yung aking lunchtime, guys. Lunch for today. So, yummy. Crabs natin na, ayan. So, yummy, guys. Ating crabs. I really love it. Yan guys, naubos ko yung isa. Yung isa natin guys, medyo maliit siya. Medyo maliit siya guys. Ayan, parang wala pa tong laman. Ayan, so I am finished guys. Yung isda lang kinain ko guys. Okay? Naka-isang crabs ako. Yan, at busog na ako guys. So full na. Ayan, natin isda guys. Yung tinik niya. Ayan, namiss kong kumain ng isda dun sa province namin guys. Ayan. Yung malalaking isda. Tambakol siya guys. So yummy. Ayan, naubos ko na yung rice ko guys. 1/4 cup of rice. My diet. So, ayan guys. I'm done guys. So yummy. Love it.